Hi everybody.
I'm Chef Anita at WannaBee Chef.
I'm Chef Rama. We are co-chefs and a mother-daughter team. And usually I'm not in your videos a lot in our videos. So hi guys, I am.
And I'm so happy to have her here today.
Exactly. So today's video, we're gonna be making a quick sesame cucumber salad. This is a great side dish. What else can you enjoy this with? I mean, we love eating this, right?
Yeah. Usually with some, like when you make Asian vegetables, fried rice, noodles, you know. I nowadays love, by the way, those shiitake noodles.
Yeah, they're really good. Really
just
good.
that, you know, really well drained and stir fried, and then this on the side. I think it makes a great meal, a great lunch with some shiitake noodles and a cucumber salad. Wow, what an amazing lunch. And I always spice it up with some hot sauce too.
Exactly. Your kids will freak over this too. They will love the new way to eat cucumbers. So what we're doing is we're basically taking little Persian cucumbers and we're thinly slicing them. And you can use a mandolin if you want, or you can do this free-handed as well. It's all up to you. Make sure that you use a nice firm cucumber. You really don't want to use something that's bruised or soft to the touch. Okay, so once we do that,
and of course we're not adding spice today as our basic recipe, but you can add spice if you like it spicy like me. I sometimes add some extra chili flakes or a little bit of sriracha, but it all depends on how spicy you like it.
Exactly. And also, I've had this in a sandwich, in a nice tofu sandwich, grilled tofu sandwich.
That's right.
So just go nuts on this, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have our sliced cucumbers. It took me about a minute. We've got some lime juice. We have a little bit of salt. And this is the secret ingredient, okay? It's rice vinegar. Rice vinegar has that perfect combination of tart and sweet, okay? If you like your sesame cucumber salad a little sweeter, then go ahead and add some white sugar to this, or some honey or maple syrup. It's all up to you, okay? And then we have the sesame seeds. I'll just do half right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna massage the cucumbers together. We really kind of wanna macerate them in the rice vinegar lime juice combination, but we really want to kind of absorb its flavors, right? Kind of bruise them slightly.
Yeah, and they really pick up, when you do that, it definitely picks up all the flavors. You're just not eating cucumbers dipped in vinegar. So you don't want that taste. You want it to be like the cucumber to be pickled and absorbed in. So this is an amazing recipe. Like Rama said, actually I love it on sandwiches and in wraps.
It is really good. It is really good. And it's a great appetizer too. I mean, this with some rice crackers, that would be so delicious and fresh. So you see how some of my cucumbers broke, and that's totally okay. But this is delicious. Mom, this is really good.
Very nice.
Yeah. Really simple, quick, and easy. It's a 2-minute salad. It's a 2-minute. You can add scallions to this. You can add some raw red onions if you're into this. And the best thing about this is it tastes better the next day.
Keep it in the fridge, keep it handy, and it will last for a couple of days. I would not say a week because the cucumbers tend to. But for 2 days, it's great. Spice it up if you like spice. And it's just perfect the way it is. So enjoy it. This is Chef Anita and Chef Rama at WannaBee Chef. And watch all our videos. We come out with a new video every Sunday. So please follow us and watch all our videos.
Subscribe down here, okay? Subscribe, like, and share. Okay, guys?